Hello, my name is Fernando, and in this video, I'll be going over Guard Life Pro. Guard Life Pro is made specifically for installers. Guard Life Pro focuses on project management, delivery, as well as advanced configuration. When you open the app for the first time, it will ask you to log into an existing account or to create an account. Here under My Tools, we have three icons. Forgot password. That icon is if you forget the password to the NVR or a camera, you can just scan the QR code, regardless if it's on HDMI out or the web interface. Next, we have Connect Box. Currently, we're not connected to the box. If we were connected to it, it would display here. With the Connect Box, you can connect to the cameras and view, manage during any installs with a short patch cable. Next, we have Batch Config. Here you can edit multiple cameras at once. Network Config allows you to make network adjustments to the IPC or NVR as long as you're on the same local network. Video Config allows you to adjust the main or substream settings of any IPC that's on the local network. Cloud Upgrade is only available when you have a project with either an NVR or IPC. From here, you can upgrade your IPC and NVR to the latest firmware. Upgrade LAN allows you to upgrade any IPC or NVR that is on the local network. And go ahead and click on Local. If you see, if I click on the NVR, click on Upgrade, here it'll tell me it's at the latest. If it wasn't, I can just click Upgrade. To the top right, we have two icons. The scanner allows you to scan a QR code and add an IPC or NVR to a project. The bell icon will display any notifications. Now let's create a project. Let's go ahead and click on Quick Create. Here we have three options. Add device by connecting to Wi-Fi. This will discover any devices that are on the local network. Scan QR code or enter manually. You can add a device by scanning the QR code or by manually inputting the register code, or create an empty project. For the purpose of this video, let's go ahead and create an empty project. Here you can rename the project and select a scenario. We'll go ahead and select Office and then click on Create. Here you will notice there is now a project created. It does show undelivered because I haven't delivered to a client. Let's go ahead and click on that project. If we swipe up, we'll see Workspace. Here we'll focus on three options: Scan, Auto Search In, and Import From. Scan, you can scan the QR code for the NVR or IPC. Auto Search In will discover devices on the network. And Import, you can import from other current projects that are already created. So we're going to go ahead and click on Auto Search In. You can see I have successfully added the NVR. And you can see device count 1 of 1. The topology, here it'll display your topology of the project, whether if you have an NVR or multiple cameras. It'll show green for each camera that it's online or red for any offline devices. We'll come back to this in a bit. Under device, it'll display all devices and allow you to make certain settings changes. Here we can rename the NVR. It'll also display the two cameras that are connected to the back of that NVR. Under project, this will display the project information. If we click on the icon to the right of the project and we click on the NVR play button, it'll display the cameras that are currently connected to the back of the NVR. Here you can make image adjustments in real time. Now let's go ahead and talk about delivering a project to your client. To do so, you want to back out to the main menu. We'll click on the three dots. We'll click on Deliver Project. Now here you have two options. Transfer will remove you from having access to the project. You won't be able to manage the devices or upgrade from cloud. This feature is great if it's a one and done type of job. Next, you have a share. Here you can share the project with your client. However, you'll still have access to maintain their system through their projects. So let's go ahead and click on share. We'll click on the NVR that we want to share or the device we want to share. Click on share. You might get this notification. Just go ahead and click OK to upgrade to cloud device. Here you have some permission management. And then here we'll enter the email that we want to send or that we want to share the project to. Click done and share. We'll click OK here. And you can see one device has been shared successfully. Now, if we open up the Guard Live app, I'm already signed into that account. You can see here that I have the shared account and the client can now view the cameras. Now, if we go back into Guard Live Pro, click on the project, go back to the topology, you can see that the NVR is connected to the internet. Now, let's say you want to stop sharing that project to your client. You can go ahead and click on the three dots, delivery records, sharing records, click on the email that you shared it to or the user. Here you can edit the sharing and stop sharing. Once you click on stop sharing, the next time that user opens up their Guard Live app, they'll no longer have access to the project. Hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.